How to return products on Adidas app. So to return the products, first you need to make sure that they are eligible for a refund. So the products must have been bought directly from the online shop. And you can return most online orders within 30 days from the date of receipt, like 7 or 14 days for certain high products and some items, which may be the final sale. And for individual items, return period is communicated to you at the time of purchase. So how do you return it? So basically everything you return should be in good condition. Make sure you don't cut off tags, and if there are any, pack all items in their original packaging. And then you want to start a return on the website or the app, so just follow the instructions right here. So click this button right here, and it will redirect you to this link right here, where you will need to fill up an email. Then you want to do, or what do you want to do? So simply just choose start an exchange or return, and then press continue by entering your email. Then you will need to provide the track order and some information about the order and the products. And then after that, simply just submit or log into your account. And that's how you can basically ask to return a product on Adidas.